In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Gemini to N8N. This process might sound a bit technical, but I assure you, it's straightforward once you get the hang of it. Whether you're a seasoned N8N user or just starting out, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and simply. First, let's head over to N8N, the powerful automation tool that's going to help us streamline this connection. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the settings. If you're familiar with N8N, you know this is where the magic happens, where you can tweak things to fit your needs perfectly. Inside the settings panel, look for the credentials section. This is the place where N8N manages all your login details and permissions for the various services and tools you link up with it. Now, let's create something new in this credentials section. You're going to click on the Create New button. This will bring up a variety of options for different services. Scroll through the list until you find the option for Google Gemini, or in some cases, you might see it listed as Google AI Studio. They essentially refer to the same platform, so don't let that confuse you. Once you've selected Google Gemini or Google AI Studio, N8N typically handles the authentication using OAuth 2. OAuth 2 is a secure means of granting access without sharing your password, which is super handy when working with cloud services. This automated OAuth process ensures that your credentials are safe and that the connection to your Google account is robust. Now, let's talk about completing the OAuth authorization flow. This sounds a bit daunting, but it's quite user-friendly. Essentially, once you've selected Google Gemini, you'll be prompted to link your Google account. This step involves a series of prompts where you'll need to log into your Google account. Make sure you're entering the credentials for the Google account or workspace that you intend to use, because this is how N8N will access the necessary data from Google Gemini. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You'll likely see a consent screen that outlines what permissions you're granting to N8N. It's important to review these permissions. Typically, they'll include things like the ability to view your profile information or manage certain data sets. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm to complete the linking process. With that, you should have successfully connected Google Gemini to N8N. This connection opens up a world of possibilities for automating and managing your workflows between these robust platforms. If you encounter any issues or need more detailed insights into OAuth flows, both N8N and Google have extensive documentation that can be incredibly helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect with these tools. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.